lies a sky not far away from all the scuttle, where time stops still, yet the clouds still cuddle. A place where nothing is enough, yet everything is fulfilling. Where you feel everything is achieved, and yet every moment is a new beginning. A land where you grow to your heart's content, where you are close to nature with a joyous intent. A realm where your imagination knows no bound, where screens become meaningless and nature's beauty astounds. Fields that whisper to you the joys of nature, that show you the wonders of queen bee and butterfly emerging from its cocoon like a painter. A piece of land that you can call home, a haven that the next generation can call forever its own. It's time you come home to nature. Come home to Kalpataru.